Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play online on Gran Turismo 7. To begin your online journey, you first need to complete the initial set of cafe menu books. This unlocks the world map's full potential, including the sport mode and the lobby feature. These are the primary ways to engage with other racers globally, offering both structured competition and custom race events. Get ready to experience thrilling races with friends and strangers alike. The sport mode is where you'll find structured, competitive racing. It features 3 daily races that rotate regularly, offering fresh challenges. Your driver rating, or DR, and sportsmanship rating, SR, are key here, influencing your matchmaking. Aim to race cleanly and perform well to improve these ratings, as penalties are applied for collisions and cutting corners. A higher SR ensures fairer, more enjoyable races. Lobbies offer a more flexible online experience. You can create a private lobby to race exclusively with your friends, setting up custom rules and conditions. Alternatively, join public lobbies to find a wide variety of custom events hosted by other players. You have extensive control over race settings, including track, car class, and even weather. Use the search filters to quickly find the perfect race for you. To ensure a smooth online experience, a stable internet connection is absolutely essential. Additionally, a PlayStation Plus subscription is required to access all online multiplayer features. Always ensure your game is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility and performance. The game's online servers are generally available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can race whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.